8 amp hour on my Gen 3 Milwaukee, regular 5 amp hour high put on my other Gen 3 Milwaukee. Well, let's see, we're both fully charged. I cannot get the 4 amp hour or the 5 amp hour power stack or power pack to work. At speed 2 anyway. Let's try this one. 8 amp hour power pack. Immediately fell off. I'm having all kinds of troubles. Let's see. A little bit better, but if I switch her over to speed 1, it will do it. Not very well, but here's speed 2. Much better. See you all in the next one though, because for me, this adapter ain't working. It don't do right. I might have got a bad one. Drew does tools, does a lot better in his videos with this stuff. So I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good one.